Some mornings, I used to cry before the day even started. I'm not just a mom, I'm a doctoral student, an ESL-certified educator, a time management coach for parents. But none of that protected me from the weight of mornings that felt like meltdowns every single day. I was waking up early, trying to be proactive, and still, by 7 a.m., I already felt behind, exhausted, defeated. If that sounds familiar to you, I want you to know you're not broken, you're overloaded. Why mornings feel so heavy? We're expected to do 5 jobs before breakfast: cook, dress the kids, answer emails, remember the field trip form, keep everyone from melting down, including ourselves. And if you're doing all of that while working full-time, studying, teaching, caregiving, the burnout isn't just likely, it's inevitable. It's not about managing time harder. It's about making fewer decisions. The moment that shifted everything. One Tuesday, after yelling about a lost shoe and crying in the laundry room, I sat down and wrote 5 words. What if I did less? Not less as in give up, but less switching, less reacting, less juggling. That moment became the morning theme method, and it's changed the lives of every parent I've shared it with. The morning theme method, simple, structured, life-giving. Instead of trying to do everything every morning, you do one thing intentionally. Our Monday, food prep; Tuesday, clothes plus laundry; Wednesday, emails plus admin; Thursday, tidy plus plan; Friday, connection time. Each day gets one focus. No more mental multitasking, no more guessing. Suddenly, the mornings didn't feel like panic. They felt like rhythm. The emotional payoff. This isn't about being more efficient for the sake of it. It's about being less fractured, less reactive, more grounded in the time we do have. I still have hard mornings, but I don't feel like I'm drowning before breakfast anymore. That gave me more patience, more presence, more actual joy in a season that was running me ragged. Educator insight. As someone trained in learning and cognitive development, I'll tell you this: decision fatigue is real. Every choice costs energy, and your brain, especially under stress, will always look for patterns. The morning theme method gives it just that: a calming pattern, a pre-made map. For parents navigating ADHD, anxiety, or just high mental load, this is a game changer. Want to try it? I created a printable morning theme planner you can use this week. It's free, no sign-up walls, just support. And if you're ready for more, my Time Mastery for Working Parents course is built for you. And most importantly, it's free through many employers. Just use the reimbursement form I include. You don't need to wait for the next breakdown to take control. You can start now. From one parent to another. You are not lazy. You are not failing. You're carrying too much with too little support. Try the planner or take the next step with the course. No pressure, just progress. These aren't just tips, they're emotional oxygen for working parents, one fix at a time.